Hi, my name is Emily Zhang, Marketing Manager Asia Pacific for the Industrial and Commercial Industries. Dust collector system is a vital equipment to recover valuable powder from process streams or remove pollutants from exhaust gas prior to emission to atmosphere in a wide range of industries like cement, metal, incineration, chemicals, pharmaceuticals, and so on. OEMs and end users are looking for a complete solution that can clean back filter effectively, real-time monitor emission level, provide preventative maintenance planning, reduce air consumption, optimize dust collector operation. Our Asco dust pulse technology offers a broad range of products. Asco 152 series high reliable non-contact type particle sensor is simple to integrate and install, and provide data to a monitoring system to quickly identify leaks. Asco 151 series controller designed with application-specific electronics, refined diagnostic and control algorithm, enables low and stable differential pressure control with reduced pulsing counts, ensuring optimal cleaning performance, provide data connectivity and insight to customer production system. Asco 353 series pulse valves are designed for high peak pressure, high flow rate, long lifetime, and extremely fast valve opening and closing for effective cleaning, while minimizing compressed air waste. Asco's DPT solution, working together with our cylinders, position switches, and other pneumatic control components, provide the world's best supported automation for dust collector system. Also, because we offer an integrated solution, it made the ordering and inventory management easier. In closing, with our dust pulse technology, you can improve cleaning performance, locate broken back filter, filled coils and diaphragm of solenoid valves, prolong lifetime of critical and costly components like pulsing valves and filter bags, ensure compliance with environmental protection regulation, reduce unexpected downtime. Thank you for taking the time to learn more about dust collector system and Emerson.